Who are you to judge how someone else lives their lives? Focus on you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself is focusing on your own life and own your own lane. Who are you to judge how somebody else lives their lives? Focus on yourself, focus on your part. What are your morals? What are your goals? What are you trying to achieve? What matters the most to you? Who are you besides what you do? Identify what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are. Get to know your circle. Who are you surrounding yourself with? Instead of focusing on what Mrs. Jones is doing, instead of focusing on what someone on Instagram is doing, instead of focusing too much on celebrity culture and who's dating who and who isn't doing what, who's most successful, who's bought a bigger house, who's bought a new car. Focus on your own lane. The best way to become the best version of yourself, to be so secure within yourself, to be very confident in your life and the direction that you're heading, is by focusing on improving yourself and not focusing on other people and what they do. You don't have to agree with how other people live their lives. There's so many people that are so nosy, people that love to jump into other people's business, people that love to criticize how you're living your life, people that love to tell you how you should live your life, what you should do, where you should work, what you should earn, how you should dress, but they're not bringing anything to the table. And I feel like those people that bring nothing to you, to your life, people that don't bring value to your life, you shouldn't be losing sleep over those people. Only focus on your own life and focus on people that add and bring value to your life, people that you care about, people that have your best interests at heart, and people who you truly care about, instead of focusing on the distractions. Sometimes we're too busy focused on what other people are doing and how far they've gone and how much weight they've lost, or even trying to compare yourself to somebody else. You don't even know what you're comparing yourself to, because that person's only showing you their best version and you don't even know what they've had to give up to even get those things that you're looking and envying. So make sure that you mind your own business. Focus on you, focus on your family, focus on people that matter to you, and focus on being the best version of yourself, whatever that looks like. Focus on you achieving your own success, whatever that, if that looks like. It doesn't have to look like the person next to you. It doesn't have to look like your version of success is very different to your friends, it's very different to your colleagues, it's very different to your business partners. Whatever that means to you, focus on that and go with it. And don't judge how other people are living their lives. When people ask you for your opinion, of course give them and tell them what you think, but don't feel like you have to immerse yourself in other people's business. That's how you completely lose yourself. You lose your self-esteem. You start comparing. Do not judge how other people live, and don't let people judge how you live. It's your life, and don't go trying to change people that don't want to change. Focus on you, the best you can do to help somebody who focus on you, and you become the best version of yourself. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.